Hello, welcome to Do Wilderness. This is a gear test of the new Green Vivid Plasma Electric Lighter. This is a purely electric lighter. It has no fuel. It uses no fuel. This is a test on it, and the Explorer model is waterproof. And it's a lighter. So there are three questions I immediately had. One, how much does it weigh? Two, how long does it last on a charge? And three, will it light a camp stove? This video will answer those three questions. How much does it weigh? Well, it looks like it weighs about 1.5 ounces. This is a scale that measures in 2-ounce increments. As you can see, 0, 1, that is 1 pound. So it's about 1.5 ounces, give or take 0.2. Let's try one more time here. Calibrate it. Get a perfect, well, close enough calibration there. There we go, and try it again. Yep, I would say it's about 1.5 ounces, 1.3, so somewhere around there. It's very lightweight. The second question, how long does it last? It's a beautiful day today, so I'm in a comfortable position. I'm going to light it for about 5 to 10 second shots, and I'm going to count how many times it will light 5 to 10 second shots. So starting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, It's getting a little hot. 26. And the wind, whoa. So I just found out something here. I'm on the 27, and the lighter has a built-in thing where it will only stay lit for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 seconds. So let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seconds, and it is beginning to get hotter. I'm on 28. So 29. There's 30. I'm on 30, so let's get, and since it's getting hot, let's get something here that we can light it with. How about a matchstick? An old one. 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 33. It's some days on between 6 to 8 seconds, and I'm beginning to think it depends on how hot it is. So I'm at 32, 33. All right, I'm going to light this over and over again. I will fast forward it in editing here. 34. Huh, it just totally quit. It will not light after 34 continuous lights. Let's see. Now it is totally dead. 34 continuous lights in a row. I'm wondering if that's because of heat or what. I I thought it was going to light a lot more than that. I wonder if it's just getting hot. It is literally dead. It will not light. I wonder if it's because it's too hot. Well, let's see. Let me cool it down here. I got up to 34 continuous lights for the full max time. Because when you're lighting a stove, I can imagine it might take more than a second. I'll be heading into the field to do that. Let's cool it down. Let's make sure it's not because it's too hot. No, she's dead. All right, I'm gonna go recharge it and make sure it still works. And so I can 100% verify the reason why it shut off after only 34 shots, continuous max shots. I want to verify it still works and I didn't mess it up by just lighting it continuously. So I'm gonna go put a new charge on it. Hey, welcome back. I just charged it up and it took about 1.5 hours to fully charge. There's a blue light that goes out when it is fully charged. So when you plug it in, there's a blue light showing, but when it has charged fully, the blue light goes out. Alrighty, so let's see if we have the same amount of times here. So there's 1, 2, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. My power's getting less, so it's 30. So it took about the same amount of time. So it burns about 32 to 34 times if you were to light this thing at the maximum of 6 to 8 seconds burn time every time. All right. Well, so next question will be answered in the wilderness in a tent. Well, I think the question when you carry a lighter of backpacking, really the question I want to know is, will it light a stove? How well? And I'm wearing gloves right now, as you can see, so it sure pops up easy. Let's watch that again. Watch how fast that pops up. Let's see how fast it lights this stove. Wow. It lights it, but you do, if you're in a precarious position, you have to really get your hand over the flame. Let's try that once again and see if we can't do it any better. Let me try. Let's try it like that. Now, you have to make sure and come from the side and up into it. But it does light a stove. I thank you for watching Do Wilderness. If you like what you saw, as always, please hit subscribe.